Coloring with Rutaba. Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the baby shark. So let's get begin. First, we are going to draw the structure of baby shark. Now we are going to draw the sharp pointed tail of baby shark. Now friends, it's time to draw the cute little eyes of the baby shark and the nose. Now friends, let's come and paint the baby shark together. I take yellow color first. I am very scared about shark. Friends, do you? I color the whole upper body with yellow. Friends, I love coloring and painting. Do you?
The King of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all for the sake of my little nut tree. Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden pear.
Now friends, it's time to color his wings.
So fair a princess never did I see. I'll give you all the fruit from my little nut tree.
Now for the lower body, I take white color.
I danced over the sea, and all the birds in the air couldn't catch me.
I take the black marker to make the diagram more vibrant.
Pussycat, where have you been? I've been up to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Pussycat, where
Awesome! The baby shark looks so amazing. Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.